Sheetal. Today video topic name is arrays in Java. In Java, all arrays are dynamically allocated. Arrays may be stored in the continuous memory location. That is consecutive memory location. Since arrays are object in Java, we can find their length using the object property length. This is different from C and C++, where we find the length using a size of operator. A Java array variable can also be declared like other variables with square bracket after the data type. The variables in array are ordered and each has an index beginning with 0. Java array can also be used as a static field, a local variable or a method parameter. An array can contain primitive, int, char, etc. data type and object, that is non-primitive. Reference of a class depending on the definition of an array. In the case of primitive data type, the actual values might be stored in the continuous memory location. That is, JVM does not guarantee this behavior. Next, we discuss about the creating, initializing, and accessing of an array variable. First one is a one-dimensional array. The syntax of one-dimensional array declaration is a data type, data type, variable name, and square bracket, or data type, square bracket, and variable name. An array declaration has two components: the type and the name of array. The type declares the element type of an array. The elements type determines the data type of each element that comprises the array. Like an array of integer, we can also create an array of other primitive data type like a char, float, double, etc. Or user defined data types, that is object, class. This array can be this array element, that is type of array, determines what type of data the array bit will hold. Another one is instantiation of an array element. When an array is declared, only a reference of array is created. To create or give memory to the array, you create an array, that is a variable name equal to new data type, and within curly bracket we provide the size of array. The size determines the number of elements in array, and a variable name is the name of array variable that is linked to the array. To use new keyword to allocate an array, user must be specify the type and the number of element to allocate. An array literals in Java. Declaring of literals, that is data type, square bracket, and array name equal to new data type and square bracket, and we pass the curly bracket in values. The length of this array determines the length of the created array. There is no need to be write the new int part of the latest version of Java. Each element in the array via its index. The index begins with 0 and it ends with the total array of the size -1. All the elements of array can be accessed using Java for loop. The accessing element of the specified array, that is use the for loop. For loop we can pass the length of array and print the values of array. Another one is arrays of object in Java. An array of object is created like array of primitive type of data element, that is student, square bracket, array equal to new student, and we pass the size of array, that is user defined array. The syntax is data type, square bracket, array name, or data type, array name, square bracket. If we try to access the element outside the array size, JVM throw the array index out of bound exception to indicate that the array has been accessed with the illegal index. The index is either negative or greater than or equal to the size of array. Next one discuss about the multidimensional array in Java. Multidimensional array are arrays of arrays with each element of array holding the reference of other array. That's all about the arrays in Java. Thank you.